All right, Tim Unker here. In this video, we're going to solve rational equations. So this first one, we've got 2 over x plus 4 over 3x equals 5. So I think what we should do first is multiply this 2 over x by 3 over 3. That way we'll get the same denominator. When I do that, I get 6 over 3x plus 4 over 3x. And then I'm going to write 5 as 5 over 1. Okay? So now we'll add these together. We get 10 over the denominator 3x equals 5 over 1. And we can do some cross multiplication here. So we can multiply the 10 by the 1. That's going to give us 10. And set that equal to, we're going to do 3x by the 5 and get 15x. And then we're going to divide both sides by 15. And the 15's here will cancel out. This reduces to 2/3. So 2/3 equals x in this particular case. So that's our first problem. Let's take a look at the second one. You might want to pause the video at this point, smash the like button, and try it yourself, and then come back and see how I do it. Okay, let's go. So we've got 4 over x minus 4 over 3 equals 5 over 6. So I'm going to multiply this fraction by 3 over 3 to get 12 over 3x. And then I'm going to multiply this by x over x. So I'm going to have 4x over 3x. And that's going to equal 5 over 6. So the top will get 12 minus 4x over 3x equals 5 over 6. We're going to do some cross multiplication magic here like we did in the last problem. So we'll do 12 minus 4x times 6. So we can write that as 6 times 12 minus 4x. And then on this other side here, we'll do 3x times 5, which is 15x. All right, so now we can do this in a couple different ways. I'll distribute the 6. So 6 times 12 is 72. Minus 6 times 4 is 24x. And that equals 15x. Let's add 24x to both sides. So if we do that, and I'll move up a little bit, we've got 72 equals 15 plus 24 is 39x. We'll divide both sides by 39. And we'll get x equals 72 over 39. 72 is divisible by 3. 39 is divisible by 3, so let's make some room over here. So if I divide the top by 3, well, 3 goes into that twice. So you get 24. So 24, divide the bottom by 3, you get 13. And top's divisible by 3 again, but the bottom is not. I'm going to leave it as 24/13 for problem 2. Okay, this should not say problem 1. It should say problem 3, and this should say problem 4. Okay, so we've got 2 over x plus 3 over 11 equals 3. I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom of this one by 11, so I'll get 22 over 11x plus, then I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom here by x, so I'll get 3x over 11x. And I'm going to write 3 as 3 over 1. We're going to add these together. We'll get 22 plus 3x equals all over 11x equals 3 over 1. Again, we're going to do our cross multiplication here. So when I do 22 plus 3x times 1, I just get 22 plus 3x. And then when I do here 11x times 3, I get 33x. All right, so I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. And I'm going to get 22 equals 30x. I'll then divide both sides by 30. Both these are divisible by 2, so I can get 11 over 15 equals x. And that's as far as I can go with that one. So that's the answer to number 3. Okay, let's do number 4. So we got negative 3/7 minus 3 over 5x equals 2/5. Okay, so I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom here by 5x, this denominator. I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom here by 7, this denominator. So I'm going to get negative 15x. Let's just separate these. Negative 15x over 35x. Minus 21, and this is over 35x, so we can combine them, equals 2 over 5. So if I combine them, I'm just going to get negative 15x minus 21 all over 35x equals 2 over 5. I'm then going to multiply 5 times this. So we have 5 times negative 15x minus 21 equals 70x if I multiply these two. Okay, and I can divide the 5 out here. So 70 divided by 5 is going to be 5 is going to go in once. So it's going to be 14. So if I divide everything by 5, I get 14x on this side. And I get negative 15x minus 21 on this side. So I'm going to add 15x to both sides. Okay, so we get negative 21 equals 29x. We'll divide both sides by 29. And so we'll get x equals negative 21 over 29. That'll be your solution for this one. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, check out my links to Teacher Pay Teachers and my website in the description. Have a great day. Bye.